In our previous videos, we have discussed binomial nomenclature of living organisms, that is, naming living organisms, and also we discussed classification of living organisms into kingdoms. And today, we are going to talk about the first kingdom, that is kingdom Monera. So without further ado, let's get started. Kingdom Monera, they are the simplest living organisms. They are the simplest living organism, as I mentioned. Second, single cell, lack of nucleus, means they are prokaryotic, they don't have multicellular, they are not multicellular cell, they are single cell. And mostly they are microorganisms. They are microscopic organisms. They are maybe either motile or non-motile. Examples are bacteria, blue green algae, red green algae, anabena, and etc. Some important questions to take note. Please, you have to pay attention on this one. Which kingdom is virus belong to? Simple questions. You can answer it. So the answer shall be virus are not included in any 5 kingdoms. You have to take note. This because biologists are still there debating over their status as living organisms. Currently, virus considered as non-living things. You have to take note of this one. Currently, virus is taken as non-living things. Why virus is considered as a non-living organism? It's simple questions. Answer should be, it can reproduce inside the cell. It can only reproduce inside the cell of living organisms. Outside the cell of it exhibits as a crystal and seems to be no different from any other non-living thing. And it seems to be considered as a connecting link between living thing and non-living thing, or as a borderline between living things and non-living things. So, question number 3. What is virus? A simple question. A virus is extremely small and can only be seen through electron microscope. And it doesn't have a cell structure, but it's made of coiled strand of nucleic acid enclosed within a protein coat. So you have to pay attention and take note of this. It's considered as a non-living thing currently, and it is connecting link between living things and non-living things. Sometimes you may call it borderline. Overview structure of some moneras. Structure of bacteria and shapes of bacteria. We are going to talk about them and their function step by step in a just review. So the first option is capsule. Capsule is the outermost layer of bacteria, as you can see here. It's a slimy covering. It's sometimes labeled as slime capsule that help bacteria to stay together in a colonies or provide some protection to the cell. That is capsule. As you can see, the red one, the first layer, the red one, and the second one, as you can see, the yellow one, that is cell wall. Cell wall is a rigid framework of membrane which is polysaccharide cross-linked by peptide bond. It's compared with plant cell wall, which are made of cellulose. The next one, as you can see here with the green, is called plasma membrane. A plasma membrane, sometimes called cell membrane, is a possibly bilayer. It's a flexible, not rigid like a cell wall. The fourth one, as you can see here, the blue, is a jelly like what you see. It contains everything inside the cell. That is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance that consists of mainly water. And also in general, cytoplasm contains enzymes, cell components, cell component, example, ribosomes, plasmic, food store and protein, etc. and various organic molecule. And as you can see, there is a pili, which is responsible for attachment during asexual reproduction, and for attachment, then flagella is responsible for movements, and there's a nucleus that is control center of the cell. It tells the cell what to do and what not to do. And inside nucleus, it contains nucleus, that is DNA, long strand of DNA, as you can see here. So here it is just short review about a prokaryotic cell of kingdom Monera. It is bacteria. And the shapes of bacteria. Bacteria has a sphere shapes, rod shapes, and spiral shape. The sphere is called cocci, rod shape is called bacilli, diplo, tetrad, and staphylococcus and sarcasm. And chains of bacillo, that is, if it has many chains of bacillo, and flagellates rods, bacillo that has a flagella, and spopoma, and spiral, fibros, passilla, and spiropoches. These are typical shapes of bacteria. You need to remember them. So this is just in a review. We will make a special video about the shapes of Monera, structure of Monera like bacteria and shapes. All you need to do to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that by the time we release new video, you'll be the first one to get notice. We will make a video all about kingdom Monera. Next step we are going to talk about is types and shapes structure of virus. There are zootrope virus, a virus that attack bacteria, tobacco mosaic virus, and structure of virus. They may either protein coat that contains strand of nucleic acid, DNA or RNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA stands for ribonucleic acids. So the next chapter we're going to talk about is Protista, Kingdom Protista. But that will be in our next video. See you next class in the Kingdom Protista. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Do have a nice day. Bye.